Hello friends, this is Muhammad Abubakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel hdamstech. Today I am going to show you how to download and install VMware from Broadcom website. It is free version, no need license. Go to Google Chrome and type VMware free version download and click first link and go scroll down, and you can check here there is the VMware Workstation Pro download, and you can see this one, it's a free for us. If you don't have the user ID, and try to register and enter your email ID and captcha and click next, and you will receive the verification code on your email, and type your full details and accept and create account. Then I will do it later, and see this registration is done, and you can log into the previous website. And you can see here there is different versions available to download from Broadcom. The second one I will choose personal use Windows, and I will click 17.6 and accept the terms and conditions, and click download. Yes, it will redirect you to fill the full address of your location, then submit, and you can download now directly. You can see the download will start now. Yes, then it's downloading now. Yeah, download is finished, and you can open and run as administrator. Next, and I accept the terms and conditions. Next, click next also. Next, install. It will install, please wait for a few minutes. Finish, and try to open the VMware Workstation and use VMware Workstation 17 Pro personal use, and click finish. The installation is finished. Now you can install the machines here. You can create the virtual machines in this VMware Workstation. This is the free versions. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on bell icon to get new updates. Thank you for watching.